It's all my fault! Oh shit, I think something. Yeah, that's a spring starter. But yeah, you can bounce it off compression to get it to go. 4-stroke should do that a lot.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps, flaps up.
You ready?
Bob, can we come out?
Okay.
Okay. All you.
Reverse, reverse. Put it in reverse, Terry. This little mix. Look at that. Nice. That would be fun. You know what I thought about putting a gyro in our Cessnas?
I was just thinking, yeah.
Because
they could use one. They could definitely.
we got used to fighting all that crap, but we used to. Yeah. Fly through trees under. Yep. Under trees, over reeds, over people. Sometimes over egrets. Alright, let's go.
Takeoff flaps.
Wind's perfect right now. Whoa, it's like the wind picked up.
Timer clear.
I'm ready. Back in the saddle again.
And back down.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'm coming back this way. Yeah. I'm gonna do a downwind.
Downwind.
Stick with me.
Stick it with.
Alright, I'm going now. I'm on it. Come back upwind this time. I'll follow you. I got off of it, so. I'm back up there with you now, baby. God, that thing's quick. Look at that. I got off of it, so it was like I wasn't even moving. Go. Whoa, wind did some weird shit to me that time. Kind of on it, bro. Whoa, what was that? I'm gonna do one more slow pass, gear down, and come in. Because we've been pushing it. That bird wants to die. Alright. You can come in right behind me if you want. Landing! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not even touching my flaps. Perfect. Alright. Come on in. Very nice. I didn't even touch my flaps.
I have no flaps.
You don't have any, I know, but I'm just like, I don't think I'm touching the flaps.
Flaps though, right?
No, it has speed brakes.
Yeah.
They open up like this on the wing. Right on the CG. That was cool. You're clear! Dude, that thing screams. For being stock, that's pretty badass. I catch you on uplines. You can see it, it's like...
But once it's level, yeah, it just goes.
It speeds up. That was cool. Very cool.